In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide labels in Gmail. If your left sidebar is feeling cluttered, hiding a label is a quick way to clean things up without deleting anything. Think of it as tucking a label out of sight. Your emails keep their labels, searches still work, and you can still apply that label to messages. You just won't see it listed on the left. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and focusing on the left sidebar. This is where Gmail lists your inbox and just below, the Labels section. As you move your mouse down that list, find the label you want to hide. Now, hover your cursor directly over that label's name. When you hover, a small icon with 3 vertical dots appears to the right. This is the label's options menu. Click that 3-dot icon to open the menu. In the menu that pops up, look for the option labeled Hide and click it. That's all there is to it. The label immediately disappears from the left sidebar, but nothing in your account is removed or lost. A couple of helpful tips while you do this. First, hovering precisely over the label name is important. If you're off to the side, the 3-dot icon may not appear. Take your time and make sure the cursor is right on the label. Second, choose Hide Not Remove. Remove Label deletes a custom label and takes it off all messages, which is very different. If you only want to declutter the sidebar, Hide is the safe choice. After hiding, you can still use the label in all the usual ways. For example, when you select Messages, the Move To and Labels buttons at the top still include it. Search also continues to find messages with that label. This is simply a visual change to your sidebar. If your sidebar looks different or you don't immediately see your labels, they might be grouped under a collapsed section or your window may be narrow. Expanding your browser window can reveal more items, and hovering is easier when there's a little extra space. Also note that this workflow is designed for Gmail on a desktop browser. The Gmail mobile apps organize label options differently. To keep your workspace consistent, repeat the same hover, 3 dots, and hide action for any other labels you want to tuck away. And later, if you change your mind, you can return to that labels menu and use the corresponding show option to bring it back to the sidebar. With just a few clicks, your Gmail can look cleaner and feel easier to navigate.